Hey guys, so this is one of the few restores that's still in the same location as it was last time I came to town. I haven't been in this area for a long time. There's a Delta 2, not a bad fan, but I don't need a Delta 2. Hi, puppy.
You know what? Every light fixture at my house has like 3 or 4 bulbs. I'm sick of it. Tim just replaced them all for me. All my light fixtures.
Lady Delta with cool glass.
Oh my God. Yes.
I almost want it for the glass, but I don't actually need that glass. Doesn't say what they are. The granite's pretty cool. I think there's more over here too. I seem to remember seeing some over there, yep. Well, first let me check over here. Nope. Yeah, cool, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything. I'm gonna look one more time. Maybe turn the camera off just so I can pay a little better attention. Are there any fans over here? The higher ceiling makes it seem like there should be. Nope, but there should be. Smells like coffee. Hi, puppy. That's such a good dog. Hi, puppy.
We've never been like that before.
Delta. Newer Hunter. Harbor Breeze thing. This is the only tempting one because I know somebody wants that glass. I just, without knowing who wants the glass, I don't think I can justify buying the fan. Here's one of those things Rick wanted, but he just found one. And that's the light that they came with, ironically. His has a different light, I think. Wonder if these ones anything cool. Oh, these are cool. I don't really want it, though. Okay, I'm gonna look at those blades. I need both. Oh, there's one over here too. I need both hands for that, so I'm gonna stop filming. But that's a nice chandelier. But I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, there's more up here. Good God. But I don't think I'm gonna buy anything because I got 2 more restores to check. Thanks for watching.